How to fix PlayIt. This video is Smart Muxer video. Need to unlock advanced decoder to playback problem. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first step is to make sure you have the latest version of your PlayIt app. To do so, head over to your Play Store or your App Store, then search for PlayIt, and then if you do not have the latest version, simply install it. The next process is to upload the app. To do so, tap and hold the app and then go to its storage section and tap on clear cache, and this should solve your problem. If it still does not solve your problem, that must be because of your internet connection or the server problem. Fix that and you will be done. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.
This step you can easily create your account on your Chummy tab. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.